Your lady teenager mature, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, share the video, and don't forget to turn on that notification so you know the next time I'm popping another video. Thank you so much for today's video, guys. I'm so excited. I can't tell you guys. Today we are going to unbox the mannequin stand. Yes, as you know, those ones who have watched my video, I have a smaller mannequin stand. I'm going to show you here. I have this smaller mannequin stand. Of course, I have this head. But when you do this, it means like I need to hook into something or I'll hold it. So it's too short for me. But I've been wanting to buy a nice mannequin. You understand what I mean? This is a foam head. And this mannequin is so small. Of course, I'm going to use it. But today, I needed to upgrade. Okay? And the good thing, I got a deal. Oh my goodness. So I went to this beauty supply. I'm going to show you next the video that how I went to this beauty supply. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn the notification on so you know the next time I'm popping that video. So we are unboxing this. Oh my god, are you ready? This huge mannequin stand. So the mannequin stand actually comes from in here. This thing you can get it from Amazon or you can go to any beauty store. I think they have it. For this one, I did not order it from Amazon, but I had to go to this beauty supply store inside the store. So I saw this one. I'm like, this is the thing I'm looking for. So I asked the lady, I needed this thing. So let's unbox it. So before I unbox this thing, original price was $29.99. But this lady I asked for, and guys, whenever you're going to buy something, please ask for a discount. So it's okay to look dumb than paying a lot of money. So I asked this lady, like, do you have any chance, do you have any discount? She looked at me like, who is this asking for a discount? I'm like, this is Teenager Motor. I told the lady, I make YouTube videos, and she was like, oh, you YouTuber? I'm like, yes. So she was like, let me see your channel. And I showed her my channel. And guys, you can carry this one like this. Look at this. You can go with this stand anywhere. Look at me now. So I asked her like, do you have any discount? And she was like, oh, I love your channel. And she became a subscriber. And she gave me a discount. She's like, okay, it's okay. You can give me $20. I'm like, thank you so much. So I paid this thing for $20. It was $29.99. So today we're going to unbox it. So here we go. So this is how you unbox it. It's heavy. Not quite heavy, but it is. So this is how it comes like. I hope you guys can see and you can hear me. And this is the bag. So this bag is very important because you're going to use this bag to carry whenever you're going to shoot your videos. Anywhere you may want to go to shoot your videos. So this is how it looks like. Let me come closer so y'all can see. Yes, this is how it looks like. So what you do, so we need to figure it out. So I guess I need to roll this thing right here, so that it can stand like that. So I hope you guys can see. So let me turn it. So yes. So this one is up. As you can see now, you can put your whatever mannequin here. And guys, I'm gonna show you something else. So here. And then if you want to make it taller, all you have to do is to unscrew right here. And let's see how tall this thing is. So you unscrew. Oh my word, guys, look at this. It's way tall. Look at, so you can take it off. So you can adjust to your height, okay? So my height, I guess, is right there. I'm going to adjust right there so you guys can see. So let me see. So you over here, it has the holes. Look at this little hole. So you make sure the screw goes in this one of these holes where you're adjusting. I guess I'm gonna adjust that height so you guys can see. And over here you can open it so it can expand. I guess you can do this and keep going. So let's unbox this. Yeah. So make sure we don't break it. Oh well, guys. Here we go. You push it down. So I've been make sure you push it down so that it can click, or yeah, push it down, and then you lock here. Guys, I hope you can see. I'm locking it. Oh, come on, screw up. There you go. So you can see from the bottom, it looks like this. So this is where you put it on the floor. So it's all the way on the floor. And I guess you can adjust this stand to your height. So I feel like I need to adjust it up a little bit, okay? So if you want to adjust it, so unscrew a little bit and bend it a little bit down, so you can adjust it a little bit higher. So, and then screw it back. There you go. I think now this is a good height. Guys, I guess even if I move back, actually I can put my wig up here and you guys can see, right? Let me put a wig here, my old wig, so you can see what I mean. So guys, give me a second. This is my wig right here. Guys, if you have not seen this wig, make sure you go and see this kind of wig. So this wig, I guess you can get the Manniquine. You can get this from Manniquine. Oh guys, let me give you a story. Before I put this a wig, I went to this store and I wanted to buy a new Manniquine. I've been wanting to buy a Manniquine, a real Manniquine, not a faux Manniquine, but a real Manniquine. So I went to this store and I saw some Mannequins and I was asking the lady if she can give me the Mannequins. The Mannequin were 19 something or $20, but I asked her if she can give me this kind of Mannequin right here, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at it. This Mannequin looks old. That's okay. There's a reason why. So make sure you listen, stay with me. So this Manniquine is the old Manniquine. It's the Manniquine they put their wig demonstration on the shelves. But this store is almost closing and they were kind of getting rid of this. They don't want this one anymore. So they were throwing them away. They were giving them away. They were selling them so cheap. So I got this Manniquine for $5. I mean $5 because they were throwing them away, and for some reason I wanted to buy the other Manniquine, and it was almost 1990 something, or I can say $20. But for some reason I asked the lady, do you have this kind of Manniquine? I was like, never mind, I need to go to Amazon so I can order the other Manniquine. And she was like, wait a minute, we are throwing this Manniquine away or we are selling them back. I'm like, wait, what do you mean? Are you selling these Mannequins? Are you throwing them away? I'm like, yes. How much are you selling? At the beginning, she told me $14. I was like, 14 is okay. I can buy it. But another lady was like, you know, let me check behind, because I bought another wig that I'm going to show you in the next video. She was like, let me go back. I see the ones that were throwing it away. Let me see if I can find one for you. And guys, she came back with this Manniquine. Look at it. This is the glue that they put in at the store. I wouldn't mind. I want it. $5 for this? Are you kidding me? Yes, guys, don't get scared asking for discounts. Don't get scared if they have anything, they're throwing it away. It's okay to look dumb, but I'm telling you guys. So I got this thing for $5. So this is the Manniquine that I'm going to put it here. In here, you see, it fits very well. So I need to adjust this down so y'all guys can see. So it means I need to put it down. So let me figure it out, guys, how to put this thing down. So I need to open here, keep putting it down so you guys can see the Manniquine. Stay with me, guys. Ah, there you go. So I can put all the way here so you guys can see. You see now? Are you with me? Now, whenever I'm showing you how the wigs look like, whenever I'm doing my thing here with the wigs, so even this thing, you can rotate this thing, Manniquine. So I got this for $5. I got this again for discount. What else can you ask for? It was a good day for me. So I wanted to come here and show you that how this mannequin work and this man stand works. I wanted to do a separate video about this mannequin, but that's all right. So I'm gonna do a demonstration about this wig so that you see what I mean. So this is a good height. Let me put it so you guys can see. So you see, now you can add the chairs to your wig. Look at that beautiful lady. You see, even you can see the length of the wig now. Look at that. This is why I've been wanting to buy this, so I don't have to hold with my hand this wig stand. Because this one, let me show you, this other one right here, it needs for you to, I put it into something, either a table or my shower, whatever, counter, whatever, you know. It's a good one, but I wanted something that I don't have to hold. You understand what I mean? And this foam mannequin is okay, but I feel like when you put it in here, rotating, it doesn't hold it so well. Still, I'm gonna use this one. Still, I'm gonna use this one. Hey, but I wanted a little bit upgrade. You see, now I can show you my wigs. Look at that. I can show you guys. If you have not watched the video where I did this wig, you need to go watch this video. What are you waiting for? So guys, this is how it looks like. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. So you can do all kind of your wigs here. You can rotate, you can sew even a wig here for those ones who sew the wig. So this stand, oh my goodness, I love it so much. And this thing that I got for free, whoa, this is so amazing. So let me take this thing out. Yeah. So next time I'm gonna do another video to show you how really this mannequin works. But I'm going to clean up this mannequin. I'm going to clean it up and take everything off before I can use it. But hey, $5 for this? Are you kidding me? I'm so excited. That's why I'm so excited to make this video, guys. Oh my goodness. And my mannequin stand, you see, you can adjust this the way you want it. You can put it up. Hey, this is a good deal, guys. Comment below. What do you think of this wig stand? What do you think of this mannequin? And thank you so much, guys, for joining me to unbox this wig stand, okay? Thank you so much. And if you have any question, make sure you ask me. If you have a comment below if you have used these ones. Let me know.